Hi Dio, happy anniversary. Sure say. Happy anniversary. Yeah, I can't shout no. So hi, and I'm very happy for you. And today we are, as you know, on 12th we miss you a lot. And I hope you enjoyed your first year. I know you did. And so Isha is taking my video with the Sangamala because he was your favorite man in Wellington. And all these talks and all, do you remember, right? So I will take an interview. Oh भैया, भैया आपको याद है कोई दिया आती थी यहाँ पे हर रोज? दिया आहूजा लड़की और नंबर 10 कोई लड़की आती थी आहूजा नंबर 10 से आहूजा याद है आपको? या वो आपको बस हम उसको वीडियो भेज रहे हैं अब हाय बोल लो या he also remembers you each and every one in Wellington. Hi, happy anniversary once again. Yeah, so now I'm standing in front of mess reception. Happy used to have your favorite drink, and yeah, that's it. You used to have Coke over here. और पापा के पैसे लूटती थी. और did you ever come here and have soft drink with him?
Yeah, I have pictures of it.
Oh, how nice! See, you had soft drink with him over here, and
you did not go to the gym with him over here.
Yeah, you did not go to the gym. You came with us, not with him.
So remember that time when the machine would keep on going fast and it wouldn't go, and then we had to pull that plug to get me off it.
Yeah, it was fun, right? I mean, Kunal is also there, but he's watching the wrestling match inside with the reception wala bhaiya.
Start.
Hi.
Again.
Okay, again. Yeah, right. So this is Mess Park, and you remember this jhula? And we after exams, no, we came here and we were taking this, and you felt like vomiting. Yeah, and this is saw in which we
Who would jump?
Yeah, jump. Who used to make?
Me.
Yeah, Trisha.
Group को मैं jump करा.
And there are kids on the swings where you fell down. Remember?
Yeah.
And we played Holi here. Remember the Kichad?
I don't think he wants to.
And the
I used to play cricket over here after exams, and we used to come here
and
sit.
The bar where I don't remember what we did.
Your boyfriend's ex-house. So no one's here right now. It's all sunsaan.
That's what we think. And this is where you stayed when he first asked you out. Yeah, remember Dio?
Cut this tree, no?
I'm cutting it only. It's not there. We came and called him from here, remember?
And then he got angry that we didn't call him earlier.
Yeah?
Yeah, he was like, मुझे तो बुलाना ही नहीं होता.
Oh.
Howdy, Dia. Hope you're having a brag and fine day there. And yeah, jokes apart. This is a very important place in the history of Dia living in Wellington. This is the place where we saw Sarkar Raj together, Dia. And that is the reason I'm getting my video taken today. And yeah, before I forget, happy anniversary. And I hope you're having a good time over
Yeah, you already said that.
Okay, fine. And yeah, so this is the place where we met innumerable times and
बड़े words मत फेंक कुणाल.
उसको समझ में आ जाएंगे. And yeah, and you know,
people are late for the movie. Fashion is going on.
Fashion's going on.
And then we're not going for it
because we have our exams.
Your video.
No, because we came out.
We have our exams.
And you would have wasted a lot of time.
And remember the Dhruv and your photo here?
Okay, yeah, it's
One sec. And the stairs, the stairs.
Yes, the stairs.
The
And this
stairs.
place from where the guy climbed up
Down.
and down.
And
Instead
this
of
place
using
where
the
I
stairs.
came out, I fell down.
Yeah.
And he asked if the ground's okay.
Yeah.
And that place where we
We all used to sit over there, Dio. I think Kunal's not getting enough coverage time in this video.
Grass used to this thing.
Yeah, guys used to, you know what? We're not telling Kunal.
Hey, Kunal.
Kunal, show your face.
And there is a wise owl sitting
After
over
one,
there.
oh, the owl. Sitting over here and ghostly stories. And Trisha got totally freaked out.
Of course.
Hey, Dia, I want to take one here. The lighting is not good and I don't want to climb up all the way because Kapoor auntie is giving me a lift. But yeah, see, we used to have a tough time. This is Isha's house ka rasta, by the way. And I don't want to climb up all the way, you know why. Maybe I'll take a video like Okay, show the class, no fool. I'm supposed to take mine at home. But Sachi couldn't. I sit here.
I'm the only person who gets a brain to be still मेरे साथ कोई नहीं बैठता है.
Good for you. We sit in another stupid class again. And what else? What else? Oh, it was a Hindi paper today.
And see, that's your chart that you made.
Can you? No. Can you? Like, no, wait. Yes. No, you can't.
Okay.
And that's the shit and chillers I wrote that, right?
Yeah.
And the notice board thingies, remember?
Okay, that's what Dhruv made.
Isha made, or rather Isha's dad made.
Yeah.
Risha made herself.
Yes.
Shalini's handwriting.
And Kunal's poem.
And
Yeah, she's seen all.
show her the floor, show her the hole. And the fireplace.
Oh, and this is where Kunal and I threw our names.
You remember this? And our stupid tables and I don't know if the ones which we wrote Karan and Vishal wasn't there.
What was Dia's roll number?
We wrote Vishal last year. There's a Vishal that's right. We were asking Vishal who he likes and everything.
I don't think it's a mere coincidence.
Listen, where's Dia's roll number?
Did you show her? Did you? Show her there. Do it. Listen, show it. Kunal is trying to rub the beautiful Karan of Zisha for some reason.
Arisha told me to. I think.
Obviously. What if people see this?
Who's roll number 7?
Oh, it's getting rubbed. Oh.
Who's roll number
I'm
7?
so sorry, but
Who's 7?
Fool. When it's raining and yeah, it's really cold outside, like horribly cold. Like I can't tell you how cold. And
Talking like that.
yeah, like I go stand outside and you take one of me and she'll realize how cold it is. Okay.
Listen. Is some teacher come over
Now, listen, you want?
go to English.
It's not that cold.
I cannot see your teeth here, okay?
Yeah, it's not really cold, so I don't know what to do. It's really cold.
It's laugh.
Hi Diya. Happy first anniversary and I'm standing in front of Dhruv Bhola Thaur. And
No. Say no.
have a great day
Louder.
and all the best for your keyboard. Call me up sometimes. Bye.
Man, abhi start kar.
Hi Diya. Happy anniversary. How are you? Nice to be 1 year.
Zor se, haan?
And yeah, we really miss you and
just didn't put the stop.
so that we can wish you a happy anniversary. And yeah, we're getting a treat from Dhruv and he was so amazingly happy today. Oh. And yeah, we're gonna call you up so we get to talk.
Save you.
Anniversary
Treat.
Thank you so much.
Yes, not that you paid for it. And even though I think Dhruv won't be paying for it either.
And yeah.
Yeah. He missed you so much today.
I was your boyfriend who used
Yes, thank you for that.
I know.
Hey, Diya, see this? Sachi got shat on the way back. Yeah,
I
well.
didn't even realize it.
Huh?
Charlie's. And that's the one for you.
Then we left one for you on the ground. Wait, that's no. No, and I found Cookie here for the first time.
Candy.
No, Cookie. You won't see Dhruv's house and those weird people are there on the way. And some people who are your friends. Sarvi is feeding me.
Yeah, she went Charlie's reading.
Appy's house.
And Akshay Mahajan.
But that can't be seen in the video. Somebody else feed me. And there's the pole. He did the pole last year. Went down, get that flower for you.
Just saying that we're taking this video to wish you a happy anniversary, but the real reason is यहाँ पे bomb blast कराना है हमने. Please don't tell anybody, okay? Secret.
And my mobile,
Oh, mobile. खोल के देख. दिखा. Yeah, well, like, can't see anything because the light's too bright. Okay, hold it this angle. Oh, I'm wearing pink.